Hey guys, you're watching Nathaniel's vlog. Follow me at Twitter, Nathaniel6309, and thumbs up the video. Enjoy! Yeah. Hi. As you all know, I'm new to YouTube, and it's already been a month. And when I look back, I think I've already got about 12 videos. Yeah, 12 uploaded videos. That's mad. Well, this one will be number 13 because you'll be seeing it, but to say I've only been up a month, 13 videos, including this one. I've got 13 videos uploaded, and I've already got over 1,000 views, which I did not expect. So, thank you for all the support that you guys are giving me. But don't forget to press that subscribe button. I'm waiting. Pause the video. Press it. Hit the like button now. Disco, 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 disco. Hey, crazy. Yeah, this cat's gone crazy.
Okay. Nothing.
Don't mind me.
Sit down, sit down. You back. Straight your body out.
Yeah?
Never guess what my sister just did. As you've seen in the previous clip, I was doing push-ups with like using this because it's more of a stable camera, but she just kicked it out of my hand. Did a cartwheel after, kicked it, it landed straight on the lens. Straight on the lens. Faggot. You see so?
Oi, stop! Child, you better watch time. You better not charge. I'm telling you what. Santa Claus is going to town.
It's November.
He's my pendulous. I'm checking it twice. My hand goes tiny and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town.
It's not even Christmas yet, and she's singing Christmas songs.
He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been found or not sick.
Hi there. It's about 6 o'clock. It's dark outside already. It started to bug me. Since the clocks went back, it's been getting dark too early. It was getting dark about 4:30 today. My street lamps are coming on. But anyway, guess what I've got to eat? Guess what I'm eating? Pasta and cheese. Yeah, yummy. But until I see you, I'll speak to you later. I'm saluting you, so salute back. But yeah, so I'm always getting asked who are my favourite YouTubers. And to be honest, I have so many. But the YouTubers I watch every day without fail, we've got to be Jesse and Gina from Prank vs Prank. I'll leave an annotation here to their daily vlogs and one here to their prank channel, because they do prank videos which are hilarious. There's one where she sneaks up behind him on his Xbox, I think, playing Battlefield, and she's lighting firecrackers. You gotta go watch that one. That's the funniest video, I think. But they have 2 other channels, but the only reason I'm going on to that is because they're the kind of the reason that I wanted to start making these YouTube videos, because what I make today, I can come back in about a year's time, 2 years, depending on how long I do it, and see all the cool memories that I've made, how much I've changed. It'll be good, it'll be cool. But yeah, I thought I'd tell you that. So go over to their channel, watch their videos. They are quite famous they are from Philadelphia. So leave the annotations up here. So anyway, guess what? I bet none of you can solve a Rubik's Cube as quick as me. But I'll give you a hint. It may not be as real as it looks. Here's a messed up Rubik's Cube and I'm going to solve it. So we've come to the end of another video. You've been watching Nathaniel's vlog, so don't forget to subscribe, press the like button and leave some comments and tell me what you think. But until then, that's all, folks.
Me and Josh should have been on this ride.